Gunkan Sushi, we'll start with our topping. In this case is spicy salmon. We sprinkle some chili flakes with mayo and hot sauce. Then we mix it well into our salmon and we set that aside. Once that's done, rice is formed into rectangular shape. Then nori seaweed sheets is wrapped around the outside, forming a pocket. Then the choice of spicy salmon or sea urchin or whichever toppings you like to use can be placed into the center. So in this case we'll be making spicy salmon gunkan as well as uni gunkan, which is sea urchin. So as you can see, we just scoop it to the center and it's ready. So these are uni, which are sea urchin. Then we simply make those rice rolls and place some uni in the center. Sometimes wasabi is placed in the center with the rice, so it does not need to be dipped afterwards if it's added in. Then we move on to Maki Rolls. So Maki Rolls are rice spread over a nori sheet thinly. Then your choice of ingredients is used. For this one we'll use salmon. So it's a long thin slice of salmon will be placed in the center with some wasabi spread over the rice. Then we also have some thinly sliced cucumber. Then we'll also add some crunch to this entire roll. So the salmon is placed in the center. Then with the bamboo sheet, the rice is rolled over to the center. Then finally form completely into a square rectangular shape. And this is cut into 6 or 8 pieces usually. Any toppings can be used for this one. It can be tuna, salmon, or even spicy salmon in the center. Then we can move on to nigiri. Nigiri is basically a rice roll with some thinly sliced fish placed over the top. So we'll be using salmon for today's nigiri. As you can see, they're thinly sliced, so we can wrap over our rice easily. Then once that's done, we grab a piece of fish, add some wasabi, and place the rice over it and form it into this beautifully shaped nigiri. Then we can move on to sashimi. Sashimi is typically thinly sliced raw fish, so we'll be using salmon again. They are thinly sliced and placed on a plate or spread out over whichever serving tray we wish to use. And this can be dipped into some soy sauce with wasabi. And if you like, you can garnish your sushi with some more seaweed and wasabi. Then it's ready to go. Thank you for watching. I hope you like what you see today. Bye now.